at there?
A baby bird.
A baby bird is that come up from the...
Look.
Aww.
Say
You
ah.
put it back.
Say
You want
ah.
to put it back, Dada.
Say ah. Da.
Okay. Let's see. There are other sisters and brothers.
Can you go see something?
Yeah, it should be here.
Let me. How are you?
They're hungry.
Yeah.
They're hungry.
Mommy's trying to get food.
I have some, I
No.
think a rice. I have a rice.
You don't understand how birds eat, do you?
What?
Their mom gets whatever they eat and like throws it back up in their mouth. That's what they do.
Oh. So how we have to eat?
What? You?
No.
Okay, we have to put that back. You want to hold that, Dada?
What do I have to do?
Look.
Because mommy will be looking for your baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yes, baby.
Yeah, we have to put it back.
I don't want to hurt it.
Hey, just put it under your hands and just lay it there.
Oh, hey,
There, and then put it back.
wait. Hey, Drummer. Think you happy?
Ah,
Look at them. Look at them. Look, Emma. Let's play outside.
Yeah.
Let's play outside.
okay, good job, Daddy. It's my phone again.
Hey, my mom. That was my mommy. Mommy, you wanna play? You wanna play? That's a baby.